students, welcome to class. Welcome back to class. Welcome back to class. I got a new haircut, but don't be a pain in the ass. See this haircut? It's brand new. I walked into a barber shop yesterday. I said, hey, you guys, can you cut my hair? And they're like, oh no, we only do women's hair. I'm like, why? They're like, well, it's just because, women's hair is more complicated. And I said, I just want a haircut like that guy. So I pointed at some guy who had a haircut, like sort of layered a bit like this. And I said, just give me what he has. I don't need anything complicated. Yeah, but we're not going to shampoo you, they said. I don't care. I just washed my hair this morning. I said, well, yeah, but we don't do anything like highlights and stuff. I said, I don't need any of that. I just need a cut. I can't reach back here anymore. Like, I can't see properly to cut my own hair. I usually cut my own hair. And they're like, the woman's like, okay, well, it's not very busy here, but let me call my boss to see if it's okay. So she goes to pick up the phone, and I said, why do you have to call your boss to see if you can cut hair? Aren't you a business? She's like, well, we not usually. I'm like, this is ridiculous. This is sexism. This is not fair. Because men's haircuts are, of course, a lot cheaper than women's. Anyway, eventually she sits me in the chair, and she starts cutting my hair, and I'm like, okay, whatever. Anyway, this is what she came up with. What do you think? I just couldn't wait to get out of there. I can't stand people messing with my hair, and I don't want to think about my hair. I just want to wake up in the morning and just shake it, and that's it. Anyway, you know what? Enough about hair. Let's look at this rooster today. Look at this rooster. Super cute, right? All right. So if you eat animals right now, I want you to observe your reaction to this, because you're going to think, oh, what a cute rooster. But at the same time, you might be at this very moment eating some chicken. So think to yourself about how fucked up that is. Okay, get in touch with your heart, get in touch with your head, and become vegan from now on. Get some clicks today, okay? It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You got to get the message in your head that it makes sense, it's totally healthy, and you got to get the message in your heart. Okay, you got to get morally consistent. Line up your own values, your own morals, and stop eating animals. Now, let's watch this. I love the dodo. Don't you guys? All right, let's watch.
I looked out the window, and I was like, there's something moving on the porch. And I watched the window and I was like, Michael, am I crazy? Or is there a chicken on the porch?
You're cute.
Did anyone lose a chicken? Because it's on his porch and it's not his.
Just showed up, and that sounds absolutely crazy.
Michael, remember that one time we found a chicken on your porch?
Remember that one time you made friends with the chicken on my porch?
Called off, you got first.
We didn't necessarily let him in the house. He kind of welcomed himself in the house. We'll just let the dogs come in and out, and we had the door open.
Oh, come on. We know the truth. You left that door open on purpose because you wanted the chicken, the rooster, to come into your house. Admit it. You thought he was pretty cute, and you thought it would just be really fun to see him wandering around. Now, look, this rooster probably came from another person's house. I mean, he just looks like he's not scared of humans. He doesn't seem to be aggressive. He's just like, okay, I'm just chilling. These are more people, and maybe I can hang out here. Well, let's see.
And I look up, and he is just walking in the bedroom. And I was like, Michael, the chicken came in the house.
And of course, they didn't bother to close the bedroom doors because everyone by nature does like animals. It's in your nature. It's not in your nature. It's not in your nature to want to cut into them with your knife and your fork and shove them down your pie hole here. It's not. Okay? Your hole here is for pie, vegan pie. It's called a pie hole for something, for a reason. It's not called a chicken hole. Okay? And by the way, speaking of chicken holes, why do you eat eggs that come out of a chicken's ass? Come on, guys. Doesn't make sense. Anyway, let's watch this.
Just jumped on the bed.
Cutie.
Ronnie. No, don't peck my eye.
Ronnie, the bathroom is in here. The shower's in here.
The shower's in
May
here.
have some clothes that fit you. Closet's right through here. Other than that, make yourself at home and enjoy your stay at the Crenshaw Casa.
Oh, that is so cute. I love it. That is so cute. Make the guest feel at home. That's right. So if somebody else came over to your house and who seemed a bit lost and seemed like they needed somewhere to go, wouldn't you open your home to a stranger? Wouldn't you be kind and say, hey, here's the shower. Hey, here's some of my clothes. They might fit you. In an ideal world, that's what we'd do, right?
Ronnie, we leave the door open for 5 minutes.
He kept coming back, and so we're like, all right, we'll build him a house and let him come in the house after he made his own way in there.
Seriously? There's a chicken in the house.
He just built you that perch. Can you say thank you? Ronnie. I know we taught you better manners than that. Please tell him thank you.
You're welcome.
He's just extremely comfortable in the house. It's his house now, and if he gets bored, he'll fly from the living room to the kitchen or get up on the light fixture.
Cute. Look at him up there, so cute. Oh my God, this reminds me of this woman. I lost track of her somewhere on, I used to watch her on Facebook. She had all these turkeys that she was rehabilitating. I'm going to go find that. I'm going to go find that site again. So she would rescue them, you know, ones that had fallen off trucks and things like that. Sometimes she had them in these little wheelchairs and everything. Oh my God. Of course, she was vegan. She was morally consistent. She wasn't like saving one animal and then eating another.
And I guess this is where he's staying tonight.
Get on this and off of the ceiling fan.
He never ceases to entertain himself.
Get on this. You're gonna fall off.
Oh,
Now he'll just ride the Swiffer down.
Little
So,
elevator.
I would say his personality is sassy.
oh, look at the dog's face. Oh my God, I have a dog and her name is Bella, and I bet you she would look at a random rooster in the house the same way, like what is going on? Like, I have to share the king size bed with that dude? Like, I don't know about this. So cute.
He's full of himself.
It's full of himself. Hey, I own this
He
place.
is 1000% an attention hog.
Can you please get down?
And then he likes to stare at himself in the mirror.
Stared himself in the mirror.
You gonna get him, Ron? Who was that looking back
So
at
cute, he has a name, Ronnie.
you? Oh, okay.
Got kind of attached to him pretty quick. Threw a toy for the dogs one day, and
Threw a toy for the dogs one
he
day.
just ran after it. And so we're like, all right, he's family now.
He must have been in someone else's home before. I mean, if you're throwing a toy and he knows, oh, we're playing fetch now. Yay, I love this game.
The yard
Go, Ronnie.
the whole time. He doesn't like to be alone. If we don't,
He doesn't like to be alone. He is a sentient being. He has feelings. He's not an object. If animals matter morally, then we have a responsibility to treat them with dignity and not murder them. Do you know that our laws are so fucked up that people can pretty much do whatever they want to animals and they don't get in trouble? It's horrific. Sometimes people touch them inappropriately behind closed doors, and if you're one of those people, you're fucked in the head. Okay, we must treat animals as if they are children. Okay, if there's a child around, do you touch them inappropriately? No. Do you take care of them? Yes. Do you feed them healthy foods and love them and nurture them? Yes. Okay, so if a chicken, a rooster, or any other animal shows up at your door, just like a child would show up at your door, you would think to yourself, okay, something's happened. Got to roll up my sleeves. The universe has sent me this gift. Let's see what I can do. And when you go shopping, don't put dead animals into your cart because you're just paying the grocery store to keep putting more on their shelves. Okay, it's supply and demand. So you people are like, well, the animal's already dead in the grocery store, might as well just eat it. No, you shouldn't might as well eat it. You should stop paying for that. Go and get some tofu, get big bags of lentils and chickpeas and potatoes and rice and oats and make yourself some amazing vegan meals and don't murder animals. Be kind to them.
if I just leave him outside, he gets mad and he'll jump up on the window and just peck the window.
Hey, Ronnie.
Oh, he has another house.
How do you doodle do?
He's always extremely vocal when he's by himself. He's just out there getting mad. And
That's so cute. I like how he built that with a whole bunch of like whatever wood was lying around. That's good. Recycling, reuse, upcycle. Yes.
Good.
Hey, bud.
He's so cute.
Get around. He's a totally different bird. He just wants to hang out, and he'll just sit on my shoulder.
Seriously, a redneck pirate. No parrot, just a chicken.
No chicken.
Ronnie.
Instead of missing an eye, I need to be missing a tooth.
He'll just ride my shoulder around the house. He's a lot more docile when we're around. His entire demeanor changes. So I do believe he enjoys our company.
Yeah.
I don't know at this point what we would do without Ron's company. We love Ron so much.
Look how sweet he is. Guys, look. Just look at that face. Look into the eye. He is alive. Okay, he's not like a tie or a shirt or a pair of glasses. He is a sentient being with feelings, and therefore we have a moral responsibility to take care of him and the billions of other chickens on this earth. Do you know what they normally do to baby boy chicks in the industry? They are put on these massive conveyor belts. People check to see, and if they're boys, because they'll never be able to lay eggs, they throw them in another conveyor belt, and they get murdered. They get chopped up into 1,000,000 pieces. Thankfully, this one survived. And the reason that they chop up these baby boy chicks is because people like you pay for the cycle of violence. Don't eat eggs. Doesn't matter where the eggs came from. Don't give me your free-range bullshit. Okay, go to egg-truth.com to understand. This is a habit that my husband does. Every time I catch myself doing this, I'm like, why did I pick that up? When he's making a point, he's like, tut, 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 tut. Do you ever do that? You ever catch yourself doing the habits of somebody that you live with? Like, I don't know what. It's just so funny. Anyway, it's mine now. This is mine. So, where was I? Okay, let's keep going. Little cutie. Don't eat animals. Yes, don't eat chickens. Don't eat eggs. Okay, from now on, you can totally do this. You can do it. This is simple. Just don't bring them into your home. Just don't bring them past your mouth here. Easy. Don't be like, oh, I can't stop. Yeah, you can. Just stop. Simple as that. Your hand's going there to buy the eggs. You're in the grocery store, and you just go, you grab your other hand, because you know your brain is in charge of this hand too. And you just go, no. And then you walk over and buy other things. Okay, in your shopping cart. Veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Because peace begins on your plate, so open up your heart to the animals. You can do it.
So the only time we question our sanity is at 4:30 in the morning.
Oh, I should totally have a rooster. I'm always up so early. I'm even up before 4:30 many times. Mind you, I go to bed relatively early.
Ronnie, get in here.
Get in here, Ronnie.
There's people sleeping.
Never really been a bird person.
Ask us 6 months ago, and we'd have laughed at thinking that we'd have a rooster coming in the house.
Rooster, like, get up, let's play. Throw the ball. Come on. It's morning. Aren't you happy to be alive?
The main question we get is, does he not poop everywhere? And I don't really know why, but he doesn't. I don't know if it's because he's small.
We're like, well, maybe he's house trained. I don't know. Yeah, it's Ron's world, and we're
So he doesn't pee or poo in the house. That's nice. What a lovely guest.
just living in it.
Oh, look at that nice family portrait. Such a cutie. Okay, moral of the story is, don't eat animals. Be kind to animals. Get your 100 clicks by subscribing to this channel. See the subscribe button below? Press the subscribe button and the notification bell. Help all of us get the animals out of hell. Starting today. Starting now. You can do it. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Look around that Vegan Teacher's site. And write down something in the comments below about some animals that you are kind to. And as you're telling me about how great your cat is, I want you to think to yourself, why are you only kind to your cat when there's a dead body of a baby cow in your fridge? And as you're writing to me and telling me how great your dog is, think to yourself, why is there the dead body of a chicken inside of you right now? Okay, change. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anyone can be vegan at any stage of development, and so there is no excuse for animal abuse. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Do 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 do.